Hey guys, it's Alan from VExpressions. Chris has put a tutorial video together for the TD-07. He recently released a brand new pack called Core. He's going to show you how to get the data in the sheets that come with your expansion into your TD-07. Since the TD-07 does not have any type of loading factor like a SD card or CF card, you will have to manually input the data that we give you. However, you can choose one instrument and one setting and blast through all the kits at once and then come back to another instrument and setting and so forth and so on. He'll show you how to get through all these steps in the video. Only takes a few minutes to get all the kits into your module. So without further ado, here is Chris.
Hello everyone, it's Chris with VExpressions Limited. I'm here with the Roland TD-07 module, and I'm going to go through a couple of the drum kit edit settings that you'll need to get done when manually inputting all the different settings we gave you on the kit sheets. So once you have your kit sheet printed out and you want to start building these kits, go ahead, get your module on. You'll be connected to your drum kit. I'm not connected to a kit right now, but what you'll end up doing is you will press this button right here, and then you'll press the arrow key over to kit name. You'll press enter, and then you'll just use this right here, and you'll go ahead and you'll name your kit. Okay, and then you'll just use this to change the letters and whatnot. When you're done, press exit. Then I guess you can start with the instruments right here. Press enter. Now we're on the kick drum, so for this video we'll just have to stay on the kick drum because I can't get to any of the other pads. So once you're here, you can just start adjusting with the dial to whatever kick drum I gave you. It'll have the instrument number, and then from here you just press this button and you'll set your level, your panning, the tuning of the kick drum, the muffling, whatever that will be, whatever head it is, the beater. This is the only setting the kick drum has that's a little different from the rest of them. All your settings here. Then H and R link on. That doesn't really matter on the kick drum, but on the other pads, this will link your rim and head trigger. Sometimes I'll ask for you guys to turn that off so you can individually program the head and the rim trigger of, let's say, the snare or the crash one. Once you're done making all your settings here, you can press exit. And you can go to kit volume. There's a section on the sheet for all the settings in here. You can press enter, and you'll just go through the different settings in kit volume. Once you're done, press exit, go back, press the arrow key and go to transient. And then these are all the different settings for the transient. Once you come to one, you just use the dial and set it. Once you've set it like that, you just press the arrow key and you go to the next one. Once you're done with all this, press exit. You go to pad EQ. Press enter. On or off, you want the pad EQ on for most everything. And then you just go in and you'll set the low frequency values. You'll set how much gain there is, mid quotient, mid frequency, mid gain, high frequency gain, and if you want your pad EQ to link to your head and rim trigger or not. Once you're done with all that, press exit, go to overhead. This is one of your ambience settings. Press enter, and just go ahead and you'll enter every thing in there off the sheet. different ways, the width, how much it is, blah, blah, blah. Get the idea. When you're done with that, press exit, go to room, press enter, same type of deal. You probably want to turn that on. Then what type it is, the distance, time. The sheet will have all this information. Okay, press exit when you're done. Press the arrow button, go to MFX. There's a couple settings here you'll want to set. How much delay. And then when you get to MFX parameters, you want to hit enter, and these have a lot of the different settings. You'll want to go in and select the different ones. All of the ones that I said to select are going to be in reverb. So you got to go back and you got to select reverb right here. MFX parameters, then it'll give you the reverb settings. Stage 1, all the different ones here. How much pre-delay you want. The length of the verb. If you want to bypass that, I think all the settings are at 8,000. Low gain, high gain, and the level, how much verb is affecting the kit. All right. And that is pretty much it. Once you get done, and you get out of there, exit all the way, you go to drum kit and just select your next kit. And that's it. If you have any questions, give us an email. Thanks.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope it helped. Hope you got what you needed out of it. If you have any questions, you can email Chris directly through the TD-07 page, the expansion page on our website, and he will be glad to help you with any questions you may have or anything we may not have covered in the video. Please be sure to stop by and visit us if you haven't already at VExpressionsltd.com, and we'll see you in the next video.